I got a ribeye tomahawk right here, and then we're gonna cook this in the oven. Simple. We just do kosher salt and a lot of kosher salt. There's a thick one, and then pepper. A lot of pepper and kosher salt. Make sure it's seasoning really good. This is a big piece. It's a ribeye. This is a ribeye, but they're not the tomahawk kind. And the seasoning is. So we're gonna cut it in two because I don't have the space for this one. Maybe just cut in the. Chop it a little bit off here, right? Make sure it's fit in there. Huh? Nice marble. I guess make sure you pat it dry. There go the kosher salt, a lot of them, because this is a thick piece.
Steak be the equivalent of, wait, is dry aging a steak the equivalent of dry brining a chicken?
All right. This way. Alright, now we'll go to the ram rack. It's called good. This from Australia. Now we're gonna do that too. Got to clean this part right here. Scrape it everything out. We don't want any meat on the bone right here from this. No meat or no fat on the bone. Scrape it out. The 2 racks of lamb already seasoned with salt and pepper, very well seasoned. A lot of pepper, a lot of salt. This one's gonna be sitting here for a little bit while the ribeyes are already cooking in the oven. So,
Okay, you need to, because I have to take it.
all right, this tomahawk right here been cooking in the oven for, well, just continue to take temperature. If you want medium, so medium by 120 degrees. So, yep, somewhere around there. Now you put use a cast iron because a cast iron pan is can withstand a lot of heat. Don't use any other pot to do this. And put a little bit of oil. Now turn on the heat to make sure the pan's really hot. You want a really hot temperature. I'm going to sear this tomahawk in there. So sear for about a couple minutes until it's all, so sear all around until golden brown, and then just let it sit and wrap it up and just let it continue cooking. And this is called the reverse sear method. There's going to be a lot of smoke coming out now. So you're going to sear it until golden brown, press it down hard for maybe a minute or two on each side, and Alright, after about a minute or so, and just let's do the other side. Just golden brown like that.
It's called basting, honey.
Yeah.
So you know, right? Okay, then you do the edges and you do it.
Turn over to the egg. That's it.
Turn off the heat. Oh, we had a great one. Sure. It's more in the cabinet if you want. Good. I got it. Oh, then that's good. Oh, shit. You really went for it. I think it's a little watery right now. You can be still Wow. Ooh, it's a nice breeze. What was that?
Okay, the after we sear the rack of lambs and the ribeyes and everything else, and just cover it up and let it continue to cook. So basically, just wrap it up with aluminum foil and just let it will continue to cook. Right now, it's a little undercooked a little bit, but it will continue to cook. That's it. We just leave it alone for about 10-15 minutes and ready to eat.
It's over there. Why? Can you put the sticky rice
All
on?
right, it's done.
Sticky rice can ăn.
Rack of lamb is done. The tomahawk ribeye is done.
That's a tomahawk ribeye.
Yeah, that's a tomahawk
I thought
ribeye.
they're all lamb, no? They're not lamb.
No, this is one of the lamb. Yep. All right, ready?
Bắt vô mà được với nhiều. Mẹ na cắt để anh còn xin cắt ngon. Cái này mình ăn muối nha, và anh
For you, Hank?
Yeah.
Oh.
What do you say?
Right.
That's good.
That's what they say.
Thank you.
Actually.
Là nào anh đi sạch lạnh.
Khơi anh mà xì mà đong, khơi anh mình chẳng ăn dưa dừa anh tôm hả?
You know, the fat is what they want.
That's the nice part. If I could eat the outside.
Trong cái bên you like the outside they all can be the same.
Oh.
Đã lấy lại here để lấy chặt lại.
I can eat really bad, just not too much.
Okay. One United States pieces.
Oh, it's pretty what's a medium rare.
Yeah, it's medium. Medium.
I'll take it small.
À, vậy để ca cho tôi là hai này. Nếu mà nhìn hai ao thì hai vậy để ca hai này slide như thế kia.
nhân cho anh xin được đồng ai một bên mẹ đi không xin mình đang mai bánh mà cắt
I changed my mind. You can't put it back. I just put it in touchy. I want the cooked one. This one, they look too raw.
Let's go for it.
mà ai khai thu đó cho rồi quay không nhé quay không máy của
This
bên
one
thì
too
đâu
raw. The inside.
rồi quay máy của bên thì đâu mà khai
It's ready. Okay,
áo
let's go
xài
for it.
phát này rồi
Just take whatever.
cao lắm
You want more cooked, you take whatever. And then
quay cho
we
quay
can
máy
cook
của
some
bên
more too if you
ăn
want.
thì đâu
There's gonna be a lot of smoke coming out now.